Hey boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and go over your math assignment for 1304B. To start off, you're going to go into your math course. You're going to scroll down to module 13, and we're looking for 1304B, constructing and translating numerical expressions. You're going to click on the blank page icon to open up the lesson. Click on the lesson to open it up in a bigger format. This is an 8-page lesson. Make sure you go through all 8 pages, watching the videos and completing the practice activities. So this first page, page 2, you've got a video about writing expressions. Here are some information that goes over what was identified in the video with some important words. These are words that will help you identify when to add, when to subtract, when to multiply, when to divide. So make sure you read through those words. Might be a good idea to screenshot those words. You've got some examples here. Here they're taking words and turning it into a numerical expression. And now we've got a numerical expression that we are turning into words. Got some matching activities. And then on the last page, you've got your assignment, constructing and translating numerical expressions. So I'm going to click on the link to open up the assignment. This is a 1-page assignment, and it says for number 1 and number 2, translate each numerical expression into words and write them in each cloud. So for number 1, you've got this numerical expression. You're going to write out in words what that numerical expression says. You're not putting the answer. I'm not asking you to solve these. I'm asking you to write out the numerical expression in words, kind of like number 3. Number 3, these are the words for a numerical expression. And we'll talk about what you're going to do for 3 and 4 in just a moment. Number 2, you're going to do the same thing. You are going to write out the words for this numerical expression for number 2. And you might want to use those words that are in the lesson here to help you. These are some key words that you can use when you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. So those will come in handy when you're writing out the words for these numerical expressions. Again, you're not solving them. You're putting them into words. For 3 and 4, you're doing the opposite. For 3 and 4, you have the words. You're going to write down the numerical expression. So it says 24 divided by the difference of 8 and 4. You're going to write what that is, not the answer, but what the numerical expression is on the line. And then number 4, the sum of 9 and the product of 3 and 5. So again, you're going to write, what does that problem look like? You're not writing the answer, but what does that problem look like? Okay, so it's a 1-page assignment with 4 problems. I'm not going to do examples for these because there are a lot of examples within the lesson that you can use as a guide. When you're done, you'll go back to your Buzz course. You'll click on the next activity tab. You also have the worksheet attached here under attachments. When you're done, you'll click on the blue plus button and you'll attach your work. Let me know if you have any questions.